If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Step 1. Restart the game. Close Cyberpunk 2077 completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear temporary glitches causing the loading screen to hang. Step 2. Check for updates. Ensure that both the game and your gaming platform PC console are updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs, including loading issues. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, clear the cache by turning off the system, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting. For PC, you can verify the game files through the platform you purchased it from, like Steam or GOG. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lower your graphics settings in the game options. High settings can sometimes lead to performance issues, including loading problems. Test the game after making adjustments. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Cyberpunk 2077. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the loading screen to freeze. If these steps do not resolve the issue, you may want to seek further assistance from the game's support forums or customer service.